Hello, HOSA members. This is HOSA's Domino Pizza Fundraiser. My name is Daniel, your parliamentarian.
And I'm Javen Stiles, your historian. As a Wholesale member, you are required to sell a minimum of 3 pizza cards. Due to COVID-19, we are taking extra precautions on how we are going to obtain the money for this fundraiser.
Using this pizza card from Domino's, you can buy one large pizza and get another for free. This card expires in June of 2021.
How to sell your card? You can either use the website shown here or use your QR code to scan to direct you to the website.
Upon opening the link or scanning the QR code, you'll be directed to a page where you can input how many cards you would like to buy. Instruct the person buying the card to put your name under who are you supporting, and then you enter your information and proceed with the order.
Ideas on how to sell your cards. Ask your friends and family if they would like to support you and HOSA. Ask your parents to ask their coworkers if they would like to buy cards. Use social media to post a flyer that you are selling these cards, example, using Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, etc.
Mission statement. Having this fundraising in place for HOSA allows us to have money in place to plan our events. Events require a lot of planning, and money is a huge factor in every event. With this money, we can purchase our HOSA shirt for this upcoming year for you all to obtain early.
How this can benefit you. If you sell more than 3 pizza cards, $5 from each additional card will go into your personal HOSA account under your name that can be used to pay for your HOSA shirt, state fees, and socials, and etc. Buy one for your family to get free pizzas.
Thank you for watching.